guys, welcome back to the channel. It's your girl Sylvia. Thank you for joining in on another video. So today I am reviewing a product that I've been using for a while now, and I was like, you know what, it's about time, because I've been using this product for 4 weeks now and I feel like I have enough information to share about this product. So the product I'm going to be reviewing today is the Trentinion gel USP 0.05% from Menarini. That's the name of the company, and it's the 20 grams one. This is kind of like the small one. This is the product, and I've been using it for, this is my second pack actually. The first one is kind of far from me. This is the, I got two, by the way. So the first one is kind of far from me, and then this one is like it's closer, so that's why I have this one. So first things first, let's talk about what Trentinion does for your skin. So let's get right into this video and let me break everything that I know I figured out about this product with you. Let's get into the video. So this is 2 weeks of me using Trentinion, and I don't know, I feel like my face is darker, and is, you know, at first it was like, okay, my work, and now it's just giving me like it's not working. So I don't know, but I'm just gonna keep using it. So this is my 2-week review for using like Trentinion. Honestly, I feel like my face got worse because my face feels way smoother, like it feels like really smooth, but I'm kind of peeling, like you can from like regions here. I don't know if you can see, but like my skin is shedding little by little. So that's just basically what I'm noticing. I just had my shower now, so this is what my face looks like from sorry about my lips. This is what my face looks like from the day that I started using Trentinion. So as you can see, I'm not using any filter or anything, so maybe this is what my face looks like. Of course it looks kind of flaky, but it's extremely improved, just because in terms of acne, I've noticed that a lot of acne that was hiding inside my face, just because of the peeling away of the old layer, a lot of them surfaced. Like a lot of acne, dried acne came out around this region of my face. And what else? Basically, I'm super impressed with this product, because this is my first month and the results are, I love it. So yeah, I just wanted to show you what I look like before I made my review. So this is it. And because I do have makeup right now, so you might have seen, you know, what my actual face looks like. I tried to make that video without any filters or brightness and all of that. I just did with natural light. So I must say that first of all, I'm going to give this product a 10 over 10. First, because it does what it says it's going to do. It's going to help you grow new skin. I look younger than I've ever looked. because my skin is glowy, my skin is soft, my skin, like the acne that they've been hiding under my face, under my skin, due to the peeling and the shedding of old skin, like a lot of them, a lot of dark, like blackheads are like coming out and all that stuff. So I'm really impressed with this product. In terms of the lightening area, it takes between, for you to see like results that you're satisfied with, it takes between 1 to 3 months. So far so good. I'm in my first month. Next month I'm still going to give a review. Third month I'm still going to give a review. I think retinol is a product that I'm going to keep buying because I want to add this permanently to my skincare routine. So I'm going to definitely keep buying this. So now let's talk about how to prevent redness. A lot of rave about purging and all that stuff. So far so good. My face was not sensitive to this product because, you know, there's the sandwich method which I started with. So I applied moisturizer before applying the retinol and then applied moisturizer after. So that was how I introduced my face to this product. So I kind of, you know, did the sandwich method. So later on, when my face got used to it, I just applied the tretinoid directly before my moisturizer. Okay, so I didn't notice any redness. My skin didn't react to this product. And in terms of purging, the second week, I kind of noticed that my face was there was a lot of like acne bumps going on here and there. So I think maybe that's what they call the purge, but I'm not sure. But right now my acne is minimized to, like, if I had like 80% acne when I was using this product, I have like 25% right now, and those 25% are not even visible. So they're like acne scars that I've had, and they're kind of like still, the product is still working on them. So the things, I made a video about products that you can mix with your Trentinion and products that you can't mix with your Trentinion. So watch that video, but I'm going to leave some of them. You can use your vitamin C product, you can use your AHAs and BHAs, that's salicylic acid, glycolic acid, with your Trentinion. And I only use this at night. So some products that you should use is you need products with ceramides, you need products with peptides, lauric acid, niacinamide. Those products are mild enough for your for mixture with this product. So take note of that. What else do you need? If you have any questions that I've not covered, I feel like for me, I kind of stumbled upon Trentinion a bit late, because if I had known, I should have incorporated this a long time, because I feel like I'm getting into my aging glory, if you get what I mean. Like, my skin feels good, the appearance looks better. Even those large pores that are situated here, they are no more visible, okay, because I can't say they've gone, they are no more visible. So, and then there's this glow when you see your skin under light. There's this glow that you have, which I really love. So basically, that is everything about this product. I've told you about the price, where I got it, the product you should mix, how to use it. This product, use it every night. If you're starting with Trentinion for the very first time, use the sandwich method. Like I said, moisturize, Trentinion, moisturize. Did I get this? Honestly, this is not up to 3,000. I think I got the both of them for 5,250. I think 2828. We're looking at 5,657. So I think one is like 29. So I got 2 packs, so that's how much. And I bought mine from Buy Better. I don't know if you can see, I still have the pack. I bought mine from Buy Better. I ordered it and they delivered to me. What else do you need to know? Anything that I didn't cover here, I will leave in the comment section. So thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. I hope I was able to share the process with you so that you can, know how to get started, or maybe if you've been using it wrong, you can use it better. So that is it for this video. Thank you so much for watching. Before you leave, make sure you subscribe to the channel. We're about to hit 8,000 subscribers, and we just got to 600k views. So make sure you join the farm because we're growing rapidly. Thank you so much for watching. Do have a lovely day. Follow me on my social media handles. I'll leave it around here. Have a nice day, guys. Bye.